Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to stop laptop screen from turning off by itself. So press the start button and go to settings. Here go to system and on the left tab go to power and sleep. So in this tab it says on battery power turn off after 1 hour. We'll set it to never. And when plugged in, turn off after 45 minutes. We will select never again. Okay, that's it. The laptop screen will not turn off by itself from now on. Okay, this is a pretty simple process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.